Hey there, fellow gamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your gaming life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to view your Nintendo Switch eShop purchase history in 2025. Whether you're trying to track your spending, re-download a forgotten game, or just stay organized, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your Nintendo Switch and power it on. Make sure you're logged into your Nintendo account. That's key for accessing your purchase details. Once you're on the home screen, look for the eShop icon. It's usually right there on your main menu, represented by the familiar shopping bag symbol. Go ahead and select it to launch the eShop. Now that you're in the eShop, navigate to the top of the screen where you'll see your profile icon or account settings. This might be a little icon in the corner. Give it a tap. From there, scroll down or look for the Your Account or User Information section. This is where the magic happens. Look for an option that says Purchase History or something similar. It could be under Redownloadable Software or directly in your account overview. Once you select Purchase History, you'll see a list of all your past purchases. You can browse by date, game title, or even filter by type. If you want to re-download something, just hit the download button next to it. Pro tip: if you don't see everything, make sure your console is updated to the latest software version for 2025, as Nintendo occasionally tweaks the interface. And that's it. You've now got full visibility into your eShop spending. This feature is a game changer for managing your digital library. If you run into any issues, double-check your internet connection or contact Nintendo support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more Switch tips and tricks. What's your favorite eShop purchase? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.